So A was 9, A will become 11. So this is called as an assignment operator. Now assignment operators can be used. So that means this is the plus, just the plus is an arithmetic operator, but when it is used along with an equal to, together they become an assignment operator. So if I do A minus equal to 2, and if I print A, it's going to be 9. A multiplied equal to 2, it's going to be, A answer is going to be 18. Correct? Okay. A divided equal to 2, A is going to be 9 back again. A modulus equal to 2, A is going to be 1, because A modulus 2, 9 modulus 2 is 1. Remainder after dividing by 2 is 1. Hence, the remainder is going to be stored in A. Correct? Right. So you can use any of the arithmetic and bitwise operators along with, so any of the arithmetic and meaning or bitwise operators along with an equal to. Forming an assignment operator. Hope that is clear. Right? Cool. And hence we have the assignment operator which is predominant. All right. If I even do a left shift equal to 2, A is gonna be 4. Why? Because A was 1, which means it was 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1, and then after shifting it by 2, this 1 came here and here. Okay, and this same value, the new value, got stored back into A. Hence the A became 4. Clear? So you can use any of the arithmetic or the bitwise operators. So I just used a bitwise operator along with an equal to, forming an assignment operator. Alright, just 2 more operators and we are done with operators then. Okay, so operators, let's say another operator that we have is called as the membership operator. It's called as a membership operator. Now, what is the meaning of a membership operator? Let's say membership operator is, if I say there is a string which is hello world. There is an S1 string which is hello. Okay, there is an S2 string which is hello with a capital H. Okay, now membership operator is given by this particular keyword called as in. So this is to check if somebody or if an object is a member of another object, or if it belongs to another object. So I can check. I can say S1, is it there in S? Is S1 there in S? Says false. Okay, no worries. If I say S1 not in S, including the in, I'm saying in along with a logical operator not. Right? If you remember the logical operator not, and then I say S1 not in S, it says true. Correct? Because S1 not in S. But if I say, why? Because the H over here is small and the H over here is capital. So this hello does not belong to this string because it is case sensitive. But what if I say S2 in S? It says true. Why? Because S2 hello is with a capital H, and that is exactly there in S2. If I say S2 not in S, you will say sorry, it's false. Clear? Okay, so you have membership operators out here. All right. The last operator that we are going to have a look is the identity operator. Okay, the identity operator, and the identity operator is defined with the keyword is. okay, is what exactly this does. Let's say if I say A is equal to 4, B is equal to 4, both of them have an ID of A and the ID of B, as I explained to you in variables, both of them are going to have the same ID. Now you don't need to write the ID of A and ID of B to check whether they both have the same ID. You can check it with this. A is B, enter. And that's a true, correct? And A is not B. And if I say enter, it's false. So not is now used after an is. In case of in, you have to put the not before the in. Okay, A is not B, that's false. Okay, and so both of them, it says that it's true. Now let's consider a string out here. Let me say a string is there, hello, and there's another string, S1 is also equal to hello. Okay, ID of S and ID of S1, both of them are the same, correct? S is S1, no problem, it's true. Let's write a bigger word, hello world. And let's write a similarly bigger word, which is exactly same, and then use the is S1. It says false. Why? Because though the values are same, ID of S and ID of S1, they both are different objects altogether. Are the values same? Yes. How do I check? If the values are same, value of S and value of S1 should be same, even though they have different references. How do I check that? I can check that with S equal to S1. To check the values, I will use the equal to, but to check the references or the IDs, I will do is. Hope this is very clear. All the operators from the start: arithmetic, comparison, logical, bitwise, assignment, membership, and identity. These operators are going to be used quite a lot in our rest of the course. Thank you.